Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and as we can see, the face unlock works here so fast, just we can unlock the device just in 1 second. This is the good result. I just want to try one more thing, because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see does it works with the glasses. So let's check. 1, 2, 3. So as we can see, the face unlock works also with the glasses. Just it's worked correct. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.